Hey, I'm Jamie from Atlas Elite Lifts. Today we're going to be talking about our new featured lift. So the one that we see in the background is the Exhibit Elite, and the one that's the mini lift here that we have is the Atlas Class version. So down below you can see the scissors and the structure of the lift itself. It's a hydraulically powered scissor lift, and it is meant to for underground parking. Typically our installation is an underground parking system, but it is also used as a display unit to display a homeowner's typically sports car. So you can see the upper platform, you can see the columns, which we have some custom designed, and we're able to print either a custom material on there or have it painted in whatever color the customer chooses. And we also have an integrated podium, which is an interface where the driver of the car is actually able to come right, drive onto the platform and use it to maneuver the lift up and down. For more information, you can go to our website. That's atlaselitelifts.com.